It was March 2020 when we purchased their abandoned historical monument in France, with a small medieval chateau, farm buildings, acres of land, a lake and an old Relais De Poste. With no previous experience in renovation and just a small budget of €80,000, we want to show you how we were able to transform the chateau into a thriving business and save a historical monument from crumbling to the ground. By using as many old materials as we could find around the estate, upcycling furniture we found in antique shops and learning the skills we required along the way, you will see that it's possible to turn a dream into a reality.
Right, let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3.
Here at the workshop you will see the projects we take on to help us reach our goal. If you'd like to see the full renovation of the chateau from day one when we collected the keys, you can join us on our other channel at Chateau de Montmagny.
It is what it is.
Please subscribe to the channel and help us to save a piece of world history. Be part of something bigger.